Off with Miss Adelyn Richardson, who's celebrating her 6th birthday. That's a pretty cool playhouse, kiddo. I can tell. You got it made in the shade right there. A big happy 6 to Adelyn in the knack.
That is pretty cool. And in Scammon, Kansas, turning 9, it's Allie Mussa. Allie, they're pictured with her cat Lucy. Happy 9th birthday.
Got a profit birthday in the Burg. It is Mr. Landon. Check that out. Carrying the trophy, carrying the game ball, and bringing the Heaters a win. Happy birthday, Landon. He's 11.
All right, happy birthday, Landon.
It's cool uniforms, man. I like those.
And a happy 19th birthday going out to Jaymee Best, who actually celebrated over the weekend. There she is in a pretty dress there. Jaymee is in Oswego, Kansas.
I know exactly where that bridge is, too. Happy birthday, Jaymee. That's a cool picture right there. Joe Schaub. Got a little landmark. Speaking of being out on the water. Oh, Joe, that looks like a good time right there, my man. Got the pulling the wrap. That's great. Joe celebrating in Franklin. And Joe, I hope you get a Father's Day weekend back out on the water, my man.
Oh, my parents have one of those. Theirs is called Big Bertha. So much fun. So refreshing. All right. Happy birthday, Joe. Happy birthday to Donita Powell, who's now 75 years old and definitely does not look like it in that picture. Donita is in Arcadia, Kansas.
I'll tell you what, if you want to go to an anniversary party, Girard is going to be our place to be. We're going to start with David and Kim Pitts. Congratulations to the Pitts. That's a cool concert photo right there as well. I don't know what concert it was, but that's an awesome picture, David and Kim. They're celebrating their 30th in Girard, and 5 years before they were married, Bryan and Barb Burks, they share their anniversary with the Pitts. The Burks celebrating their 35th. Also in Girard, Bryan, a member of the Girard Police Department. Bryan, thank you for everything that you do, and Barb, thank you for keeping Bryan in line for us. No, I'm kidding. Bryan's a great guy, but Barb's a wonderful woman too. So congratulations on your 35th anniversary. Lance King, happy birthday in Columbus, and one more anniversary to pass along as we jump out to Erie and congratulate Larry and Charla Sands. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.